Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters with Google VEO3. So firstly we're going to go to FreePix. We're going to use FreePix in order to do this. So go to FreePix. So once you're on FreePix here, go to image. So first we need the image, generate a set of image and then later convert it to video. So first go to the image creator option here. So on FreePix, so go to image and then describe the image that you want to create. So just do a description of the image, and for the model you can simply choose like the Google Imagen because that's the latest one. So you can choose the Google Imagen, the latest one. So you can just choose that, okay, if you want. So that's you need to have a subscription plan in order to use it. So make sure that you have an upgraded plan. Okay, so just choose. I will recommend you to use this image here, the Google Imagen one. Okay, and once that's done, so just choose that. So something write a prompt, for example, something like this, click on generate and then generate the image. So once you have generated the image, so what we're going to do, we're going to play around and generate few set of images from different perspectives. So once the image has been generated here, so what we're going to do, we're going to change the model. Okay, so the same thing, we're going to change the model and tweak a little bit of the prompt here and create one. So for example, for the model, click on this model option and then go to flux and then choose this flux context, because this is great for creating the set of models with different perspectives, maintaining the consistency. So you can just do this. All right, use this one. Okay, use this one, and then here you can probably just get a different perception, like a close-up. Okay, so tweak the setting and then generate it. So once you generate it, so once you have different set of images here, okay, from different perspectives, what we're going to do is we're going to so once you have generated the image and you have a few sets of image, now select the image and click on the video option here. So click on the video option and this will take you to the video generator here. So once you're on the video generator here, now for the model here, what you can do is simply select the model and make sure Google VEO3 is selected, because we're going to use VEO3. So select Google VEO3, and then for the prompts you can leave it as it is. You can, if you want, you can tweak it, you can leave it as it is, and then click on generate to generate the video. This is also, you need to have an upgrade plan in order to use this feature. But once you have upgraded, click on the generate video option here, and then that will generate the video for you, and that's how you do it.